Okay, look at this fucking whore. First of all, fucking, okay. Second of all, I have this issue, right? I feel like Andrew in his YouTube videos right now, because I feel like I may possibly minutely maybe I might have the hiccups, and you know what's fucked up? And Andrew made his own YouTube video about how he fucking couldn't find the cure for hiccups. So this bitch and myself, we're fucking out of luck right now that I don't know. I need shaman. I think I need like a priest, some holy water, and some tweezers and scaff tape. I don't know. You know what? I hate. Listen to me. I hate the hiccups so bad. It's like fucked up. Nobody should ever have to deal with this shit. Look at her. Bitch, where's your fucking hiccup? You can't kill with me? She can't have the hiccups too? What the fuck is up with that? I'm drunk. You know what does this to me? Craft night. I don't know if you hear me, but it's craft night. Every time. Hands down. I'm done. Peace out. Home.